Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have my 2008 Highlander, Toyota Highlander. And today we're gonna show you how to take the door card off and change out things like the speaker or this panel or the light bulb possibly, or the lock switch. So I'm gonna show you how to do that when we come back. All right, so Toyotas are kind of simple when it comes to changing out stuff like this. So first thing, you have this little panel right here, but it pulls off very easily right here. And you have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, but these screws don't go through to the door, so you don't need to mess with these screws. But this screw and that screw go through to the door. Also, you're gonna need to possibly access this at some point. So it just pulls right up like that. Real easy. Now, inside here, there's another little access panel. If you look right here, I'm gonna put a screwdriver. You can pop that back very carefully. You pop it back, and it should expose another, sorry for the shaky camera. All right, let me get that. There you go. It exposes another little screw slash bolt. So we're going to take that one off, this one off, and this one off. And I'll show you what we do right after that. Oh, actually, one more thing. We're going to be taking this door card out. So we're going to need to lift it. So this right here, this piece is in the way. So you're actually just going to pull that, and it pulls right off. That way this whole piece can move up. Okay, so before you take this door card off, you're gonna wanna take this out. So there's a clip here, and in order to get the clip off, a little button right here. You push the button in, and you pull that out. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so what you do is you push this button, and what I did is I stuck a little flathead screwdriver in there and kind of eased it up. Then what I can do is pull it the rest of the way out, and that should be perfect. All right, put this inside the car, keep it safe. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the door card from the bottom. So get a handle hold on it. Right down here's a good spot, and I think there's a little icon right there, some sort of indicator. Anyway, pull it, kind of pull up on it like that, and just work your way around the door, like so. Sometimes it needs to be pulled a little harder. All right, now, as you can see, the door is swinging free. Lift straight up on it. Once this happens, lift straight up. And you should be able to pull this up. Okay, and that actually did happen. So, good. Now, behind here, you have 2 more things. You have a plug here. It's similar to the other one. You push a button and you pull it off. Next is this little item right here, and we're gonna try to take this out of here. Okay, there's 2 screws here. These 2 screws, we're gonna remove those. And once those 2 screws are removed, you're able to free up the lock mechanism, and you're able to take this door handle out. But right here, there's these plastic clips that hold these cables in. Just ease them out of the cable. All right, next is this light switch here. Just carefully either unplug it or take the clip off the end, whichever one is best. Right there. See? And again, I haven't undone this yet either, but I will. Okay, so the door looks like this. I got the door card there, but everything's available. I've unplugged the speaker because that's what I'm changing out today. So next step for me is to take these 4 screws out, and I'll do that off camera. Okay, on the same vehicle, the speaker back here has failed as well. So I'm gonna show you how to take this door card off now. So it should be similar to the other one, where I have a central strip here with 2 screws. I've also got a panel here I can undo, and another little panel inside here that I can take out. So it should be identical. Yes, under here, expose that, and expose that. I've taken this off already, and there's no light on the bottom of this one, so it should be way easy. After I take these 3 screws, I will grab it again back here where I have room, and I'm gonna take it right off. So I went on Amazon and I got these adapters, and they came with Toyota specific wires that are able to plug into the speaker and plug into the existing wiring, so it makes it really easy. So first thing I'm going to do is line up this adapter plate. It works on Subarus too, apparently, but I'm only interested in the Highlander, the 08 Highlander. So I'm going to line up these 4 screws and mount this real quick. Okay, I've run the wire through the side behind it because of the clearance of this wire right here. Actually, it wouldn't go all the way up. So time to mount the speaker. And the speakers did not come with, either I misplaced them or the speakers did not come with any mount hardware. But I think we need to we can mount these. Once you get one in, you're gonna be all right. Get them all in, but be careful when you're using a screwdriver around this, so your screwdriver doesn't accidentally poke the speaker. You have the potential to do that if you're not careful. All right, and these only accommodate 2 of the 4 screws. There you go. It's connected. I'm going to connect it here. All right, there you go. It connects and it won't come apart. I'm going to angle the tweeter to where the little cup faces the driver. Well, when you're like this, it's going to be like this. All right, there you go. It's got a little bit of adjustment to it. Anyway, I'm going to put the door back on, and I'll show you that coming up. I put the door handle, door latch grabber, and I've also routed the cables. Okay, we have a way to get our foam area here inside here. We're going to do that. I've also connected that connector, but I've left the light connector loose. Okay, so now I've pushed it in, I've hung it, but the rest of it is not snapped together. So just push it all the way around, except for this light. Let's get the light put back in. So I'm gonna put the light in. It goes in like so, just clips in, and just connect it in the back. All right, we got the light connected. So once the light's connected, just feed all these little clips back into their holes and slap them down like so. This one's kind of easy right here. Let's put that one back like that. Just goes in there and just snaps in. Not too bad. And all the screws got to go back. So I'm going to put this one back in here. And I'm going to put the 2 silver screws back in these 2 holes. And I'm going to put this back, and I'm going to replug this and put that back. And that's all there is to it, folks. So don't be afraid to dig into this if you have to change a window regulator, or if you have to change any component that you saw there. Even the light right here, if you pull this thing back, you can change the light real easy. But all right, done deal. Now it's time to work on the other speaker on the other door. So I'm installing door number 2, passenger, and I didn't trust the connection here. So what I did is I put a zip tie through both and connected it. That way it can't come undone. And I'm gonna take the driver door apart and do the same thing. All right, if you like this kind of content, keep subscribing and keep watching my videos. Share them out if you don't mind. And we'll see you next time on I Just Fix It Myself.